Hello friends and welcome to Incorp Master. In this video, let's learn about how to set up a non-profit organization in Ontario. Non-profit corporations follow different regulations than standard for-profit corporations. For a non-profit, all profits are not distributed to its members, instead put back into the operations of the business. Therefore, a non-profit does not have a share capital. An example of a non-profit can be religious organizations, sport clubs, professional associations, or seasonal celebrations. Let's look at the incorporation requirements. Minimum of 3 directors are required to open a non-profit organization in Ontario. There is no residency requirement, but the purpose of organization must have a non-profitable nature. Start the process with naming your corporation. A non-profit organization cannot be a numbered company. It must have a name. The name should be distinctive. Distinctive elements, association, club, etc. are optional. An Ontario Nuance report is required to register a non-profit organization. The name should not be deceptively similar. It may have Inc. or incorporated in the name but cannot include Ltd. or Limited. The next step is to establish the address. It must be a physical address in Ontario. You can have a legal land description address too, but must have a PO box connected to it. In case you do not have a local provincial address, we provide the registered office address and the mail scanning service. The next step is to appoint the directors. Minimum of 3 directors are required to set up a non-profit corporation. The next step is to provide purposes and provisions. You need to write a primary motive for this non-profit corporation. You may describe 3 major activities that this corporation plans to perform. Example: providing paid services for adults with special needs. The next step is to select the Articles of Incorporation. They can be standard with no special provisions, or custom, let you input your own text. Don't forget about these mandatory items to run your business.
Corporate Minute Book consists of bylaws, share structure, and minutes. Initial return is a mandatory filing with Service Ontario for each new corporation. If you are selling goods and collecting HST, you must set up an HST account. Business number is a unique identification of your business with Canada Revenue Agency. Corporate tax account is like a SIN number for a corporation. If you have employees, including yourself, you must set up a payroll account. If your goods or raw materials cross the Canadian border, you are required to clear customs using the import-export accounts. WSIB is the Workplace Safety and Insurance Board registration. A corporation must file its annual return with the government every year to keep it active.
Need help incorporating your business? Visit incorpmastercanada.ca and get started today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.